Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this beautiful DIY spring greenery wedding centerpiece. You do not want to miss out. It's super easy to create. It is super affordable. Please stay tuned and watch how I create this beautiful masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. All the items used in this video will be in the description below underneath this video. But before you purchase any of those items, please be sure to sign up for Ebates, where you can get cash back and save money online. It is an amazing way to shop online. Also, don't forget to join the Elegant Creators Academy for free, where I teach you how to brand yourself, how to build your online presence, and how to gain more clients in whatever business that you do. Don't forget to join for free. The link will be in the description box below. To start off, I'm going to start with assembling the base of my centerpiece. This process is really a super easy process to do. All you're doing is using your cylinder vase to punch a hole through the floor foam so that you are able to place your cylinder vase inside the floor foam. These little mini small cylinder vases can be purchased at Walmart for about $1.24. It is super inexpensive to purchase. This centerpiece is pretty much one of my favorite centerpieces to do. I did previously do a centerpiece like a couple of months back that is very similar to this centerpiece. One of my favorite things about this centerpiece is the fact that it's super affordable. You can pretty much dress it up however you would like, and it is just absolutely stunning. I just love it. I always enjoy doing this kind of centerpiece. I will put the link below if you want to see the other centerpiece that I created that is very similar to this one. It's literally the exact same things. I just kind of changed a few little things, but I wanted to definitely take it up a notch. So it's pretty much all dry right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my flower arrangement. And also add my candles to the top. It is going to look absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to see the end results, and I hope you guys also like it. So let me know about what you think about this super affordable centerpiece. You can pretty much use it for any event that you are hosting. It's affordable, it's easy, super easy to do, and you really can't go wrong with this type of centerpiece. You really can't. Because for a centerpiece like this, like I've mentioned before in my previous video, will cost you about an arm and a leg. to purchase. Okay, the fact that you can purchase this can cost you one, two, three, four, about $5. I'm telling you guys, you can't really beat the price. You can't beat the price. This process, you can choose to do it before or after you do your flower arrangements, but once you're done, go ahead and put your vases through the holes that you created in the floral foam. No need to glue it, no need to hot glue it down. It is pretty sturdy and pretty stable. For a more firm hold on top of your centerpiece, you could choose to hot glue or glue your flower arrangement to the top of your vase.